These exercises are great for anyone with plantar fasciitis or heel spurs, which can be very painful. The condition occurs when the connective tissue known as the plantar fascia becomes inflamed and painful. These stretches can help relieve pain and decrease inflammation, which may be caused by the plantar fasciitis or heel spurs. In addition, they also help to reduce tightness in the calves. The first exercise is called foot flexion. You'll be laying on the ground or sitting with your feet directly out, and you're going to use your hand to pull your toes back towards your shin. You're going to hold this stretch for about 30 seconds, and you'll really feel that stretch. We're going to do this about 2 to 3 times for 30 seconds. This next exercise is called a toe towel grab. This stretch strengthens the arches of your foot and improves flexibility. You're going to place a small towel under your foot. You're going to curl your toes to grip the towel and raise the front of your foot off the floor while holding the towel. Hold this position for a few seconds and then release the towel as you lift your toes up and spread them as far apart as possible. Just like this is a wall calf stretch. This is going to help stretch your calves and heels to help relieve tightness and pain in your legs and feet, which also increases mobility. You're going to stand a few feet away from the wall with your left foot in front of your right foot. You're going to lean towards the wall as you bend your left knee slightly. Slowly place your weight into the left foot and keep your right knee straight as you lift your right heel off the ground, feeling the stretch along your back calf. You're going to hold this position for 15 to 30 seconds and then do each side 2 to 5 times. This is a wall squat calf stretch. You're going to come into squatting position with your back firmly against a wall. Your hips should be in line with your knees and your ankles directly underneath. Slowly lift both heels off of the floor and hold this position for a few seconds. Then return your feet to the starting position. You can do this 8 to 12 times and do 2 to 3 sets. This is a calf stretch using a band. You can use a yoga strap, exercise band, towel, or really anything. We're using a rolled up dog sweater. This exercise is going to stretch your calves to help prevent the muscle from pulling on the plantar fascia. You're going to sit in a chair or lie down on your back. You're going to place the strap under the arch of your right foot using both hands to hold the ends. You're going to use the strap to pull the foot towards you, flexing your foot towards your shin. You will then hold this position for 15 to 30 seconds. You're going to do each side 3 to 5 times. For this exercise, you're just going to use a lacrosse, tennis, or golf ball, and you're going to place your foot on top of the ball. Make sure you're stable and you can hold on to something if necessary, and you're going to just roll the ball underneath your foot in all different sorts of motions, being sure to cover the whole range of the foot. Do each foot for about 30 seconds and do this 2 to 3 times. This is a calf stretch using a step. This is going to provide a deep stretch to the calves and alleviate tension in your feet while improving mobility. You're going to stand on the ball of your right foot at the edge of a step with your heel hanging off of that step. Slowly lower down your foot as far as possible. Hold this position for 15 to 30 seconds and then repeat on each side. Do each side 2 to 4 times.